Hey cachers, Derek here, Baker 6 Clan. Today I'm going to be asking one question to a bunch of different cachers at an event that I saw in a podcast. Stay tuned. Alright, so a few weeks ago I saw a question in a chat room on Geocache Talk that asked, how has geocaching changed your life? And you know what? I thought I would like to find out. So today I'm actually at an event here in Charleston, and you're going to see some familiar faces and some new faces, and I asked that question, how has geocaching changed your life?
We're Jim and Judy out of Columbia, South Carolina. 6Js changed our life, just got us more active, got us off the couch, out finding all these crazy things.
And loving the history that we learned at the various caches we go to.
We're Gary and Sandy, known as the Danvers Duo. We now live in we came from Massachusetts, we now live in Myrtle Beach. And geocaching has changed our lives because it gave us a hobby that we could do together. We really enjoy all of the places that we've been, and this is our life basically.
Hi, I'm Claire. I'm from Florida. My caching name is Mighty Mouse 21, but I currently live here in South Carolina in Sumter. And what geocaching has changed about my life is I like to travel. I'm a big history buff, so I like to go to historical places, and a lot of geocaches are actually located in historical areas. So, and I also like meeting new and interesting people, and caching pretty much takes you anywhere. So that's the really cool thing about it.
Hi, we're Leon and Helen, and we're known as Brush Boy and Brush Girl. Caching has changed our life because we travel all over to get different states. We've seen a lot of things. It gives us something to do, and we meet a lot of great people doing this.
That's the most important thing, I think, that we've gotten out of it.
Hi, this is Jim and Sheila. My name is Cutie Patootie 17, and this is SC Buckeye. We love caching. We're newbies. We've only been doing this a few months. It gets us out, gives us something to do together. We've been in this area for 25 years, but we have found places that we didn't know existed, small parks, and just finding the different styles and types of caches is just really an adventure.
So there you see it. Geocaching has changed so many different people's lives for the better. You can see how it gets them out and about, gets them to do things together, gets to meet different people, and that's why I like doing it too. It has gotten me out to seeing new places. It's gotten my family together. We're doing different things outside together, get out and see new places and having new adventures. All right, thank you for joining me today on Behind the Cache. Click that subscribe button just right over here. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and let me know, how has geocaching changed your life? All right, click on one of these other videos right over here, and stay tuned and just check out these videos, and I'll see you next time right here on Behind the Cache.